What's your name?
Judah.
Judah?
Judah.
How old are you?
Judah.
How old are you?
Judah. Judah. No.
How old are you?
No.
2?
No.
2?
No. No.
What's your name?
No. Judah.
Good job. What's his name? Who's that?
Judah.
No, who's that? What?
Judah.
Who's that? Cooper?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what's his name? What?
Cooper.
Cooper. What's your name?
Judah.
Judah. How old are you?
Judah.
Say, I'm 2.
Two.
Can you say, hi, Clarity?
Three.
Can you say, hi, Emery?
I mean. Ah. I mean. Ah. 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 I want Emery to.
Judah, can you like this?
To come to our house.
Make a funny face. Look at your funny face. That's good. Say.
Just say Judah.
What's your name? What's your name?
Judah.
Good job.
Judah.
Yes. Okay, say bye.
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 Bye. What's your name?